and welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hello, it's Amanda here, and we have several mango plants growing around the garden. What I normally do is just after we've eaten it, just put it in the ground somewhere. Some have come up and some haven't, and I think what's happened is because sometimes I'd love it to come up immediately, and you know, it's just like, when's it going to grow, when's it going to grow? And all of a sudden you are walking past a spot and you just think, oh, there's a mango growing there. I'll show you some of the others we've got around. Here's one that I forgot that was growing, and it looks like it's doing pretty well. I didn't know it was growing, I just saw it, and these black bag was along the bed just keeping it down, but I'm gonna have to sort that out. There's so much work to do out here. Let's go see this is a mango that again, another one that just came up. I saw it growing there and just made it comfortable. I don't know what that is making that noise. Anyway, this has grown really big. It's one of the fastest growing, so I'm assuming that it's in an ideal position. So one of my tasks is just to make sure this area is clear, because I want a big massive mango tree growing there. And I've got another one. There's another one. Oh, there was another one here, but it must, it's over here. There's another one that I have to move. That's this one. And behind me, I had two from my old house. This was really tiny, and there was a bigger one here, but the bigger one died, and this is kind of just struggling. I think it may be too exposed, but I don't know. I mean, if you look where the wind is blowing this way, the wind is blowing this way, so it should have enough shade. But I'm really pleased with this one. It is fighting for sunlight, so I don't think it gets enough during the day. I think it's leaning this way because by the time the sun reaches this spot, it's had to get past this Mexican sunflower, so I'm going to have to keep this down, keep it right back, or I might need to move it. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. But yeah, this is my mango, and this is going to be a massive tree, so it's in an ideal position to grow to its heart's content. So yeah, I look forward to sharing some mangoes with you, but if you're ever in my location, I've got some mangoes, you're quite welcome. All right, so look forward to seeing you tomorrow, where we look at another plant that's growing in the garden.